For this one, we're going to put a new spin on the family tree. Instead of a drawing, outline, or painting, how about creating something more substantial, more interesting, using driftwood or larger branches, scrap wood planks, and small picture frames. First, build up a base using scraps of wood. You can tear it and be creative. You just want stability and balance for the driftwood that's going to get attached. Grab your branches or driftwood, work with various diameters that are solid at the core, not deteriorating, and cut one end flush. Mark where you want each piece to go, drill through in a couple of places inside your mark, and then secure from the bottom with a couple of long screws and a bit of wood glue. You can paint, stain, or wax your pieces to finish off. Attach screws at various points to hang your frames. Select different styles of smaller sized frames and you've just created a work of art, a family tree unlike any other. Display it proudly.